Meaning of fetter.
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 Fetter. The word fetter refers to a physical or metaphorical restraint that limits one's freedom or ability to act. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to restrain or confine someone or something. Being fettered can have negative consequences on an individual's autonomy and potential for growth, as it restricts their ability to explore new possibilities and pursue their goals. While certain forms of restraint may be necessary in certain contexts, such as incarceration for convicted criminals, excessive or unjustified fetters on freedom can lead to frustration, resentment, and oppression.